Hi, my name is Jue with Keysight Technologies here at IMS 2018. So today we're showing an R&D test bed for emerging mmWave applications. And specifically, the application that we're looking at is 802.11ay. 802.11ay involves transmitting at 60 gigahertz with 4 gigahertz of bandwidth. So our test setup consists of the M8195 AWG. We're using this as a wideband IF signal generator coming out at 4 gigahertz with 4 gigahertz of bandwidth. This is going into a VDI compact converter to upconvert to 61 gigahertz using this PSG as an LO. So coming out of the converter, we have 61 gigahertz. It's being amplified, it's being filtered, and then we're transmitting over the air using this horn antenna. On the receive side, we're picking up the signal with this horn antenna. It's being fed into the high frequency input of this 110 gigahertz UXA signal analyzer. Now we could be looking at the spectrum from 50 to 110 gigahertz, but in this case, we're interested in demodulating the waveform. So what we're doing is we're down converting the signal with the UXA signal analyzer. It's coming out of the rear panel IF output, and this is being fed into the scope to digitize the waveform so that we can do the demodulation. Now this scope that we're using actually is very high frequency. You'll notice that it is a 63 gigahertz scope. So yesterday when we were setting this up, we also did an extra test where we're running a signal into the high frequency input and captured this millimeter wave signal. So this scope can actually digitize millimeter wave signals up to 63 gigahertz. So coming back to the demo, so here we're demodulating the 802.11ay signal, and you can see that the constellation is very clean. It's 64 QAM constellation, and this is after it's been transmitted over the air at 61 gigahertz with 4 gigahertz of bandwidth. So this is an example of an emerging millimeter wave application at 60 gigahertz using the V-band converter. But if you're doing work between 60 to 90 gigahertz, this could easily be replaced with the VDI E-band converter, or it can be replaced with a converter to go up to 110 gigahertz, 75 to 110 gigahertz. So to wrap up, I'd like to just mention that Keysight Technologies won this RF Test and Measurement Leadership Award from Frost & Sullivan. So for more information, please contact Keysight Technologies, and I'd like to thank you for your time today. Thank you.